Happy birthday to you.
Got me upside down, spinning around you. Wanna taste the clouds, dance with
Kanchenjunga, the most awaited time of feeling is that one when we wanted to see Kanchenjunga and the weather was so bad. It's still bad, but you can see a little bit, and that only makes me so excited. I'm gonna show you guys. Wait, are you ready? When we were in a boarding school, our first boarding school, that is Reliance, we didn't value it much. Like, we're so small, we're like, okay, this is very normal and stuff. But getting to see it with my naked eyes and just in front of me, it's huge. Kanchenjunga is huge. It covers a wide range, and it's also said it's a sleeping Buddha. Some assume it as a sleeping Buddha. Some take it as Shiv, and some, like, whatever the belief is towards any god, they assume the figure to be that, and it's the best. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Or today we are leaving. This is the entire situation. We're gonna go eat breakfast and come back, and then take bath, dress us up, and then we're gonna leave for the filling. Camera record. We have the breakfast situation here. We have fruits. We have idli, which is very pretty. We have sambar from Little Bag. It's a kachori. We have sabzi. We have Maggi, and we have sandwiches. Also bread, butter, and stuff. So, ta-da! Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Raghav. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
और लेकिन कब वेट 30 मिनट एक बार ड्राइवर का नंबर है
Yeah.
कॉल इवन से 9:30
So we reached the destination where we had to take a ropeway to the other mountain. If we had taken the roadway and not the ropeway, it would take us another 5 hours. So we took ropeway, and we were so excited to go to the other mountain. It was like 10 minutes with ropeway, so it covered a long distance, you can say, like literally from one mountain to another. Guys, we are in the ropeway, and it's quite exciting. That was the ropeway that we did. Now let's go for the skywalk. Skywalk is right in front of me. This one. So let's go. So from the ropeway, now we're going to skyway. It's somewhere there, and yeah, let's go. We have to all the way. But skywalk, I think China का बहुत ही अच्छा होता है. Like, oh, yeah, it's slippery. Don't. It's real, guys. Struggle is real. I am with Raghav's bag. sometimes you just don't feel like being a tourist. I don't know, just the same place everywhere. Have a look at this. And you have like a skywalk situation, and I can spot Dhananjay, I can spot Vaishnavi. This is nice, it's huge.
Just going to fall, you know.
Driver wait बहुत भीड़ है, like it's very crowded in here. I called him, he's coming. Yeah, he's coming. No, there is jam, a lot of jam. Let me speak. So we just covered the skywalk and the ropeway, and it was kind of nice. The weather was not so good, but yeah, it was okay. So now we're going to just explore Peleng in all way possible, because today is the last day here in Sikkim. Next day tomorrow we're going to Kurseong. I am very excited for Kurseong. So how are you feeling, Dhananjay? How was the trip? Are you excited for Kaziranga and all the Sam part now? Now our next spot for today was the Kanchenjunga waterfalls, and this is nothing, this is just the outer layer. What you're gonna see now is one of the deadliest.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Santa Claus is coming to town.
We ate here. Zach auntie. Hi Kado. Zach auntie. And how are you feeling? Eating the 5th plate of chana. Just reached Kanchenjunga waterfalls and we had a lot of lunch here because we were hungry. Chana diya tha, kitna sahi. Straight after that we headed home. Like we needed an actual break after so many days of trip, so we took a rest for the entire day for Kurseong. The next day it was, and today's sleep will be amazing because we have been sleeping so less, and today we get the entire evening and entire night to sleep. And these beautiful flowers were so awesome. Like it was covered, Sikkim was covered by this. Hi guys. I just lost the count of what day it is, like a day 4 or 5, but whatever. And we are finally off to Kurseong. This is my outfit for today. Very simple, very normal, because I'm not going to overdo it because I love myself and just like it natural. Also, मेरे बाल काफी पकड़े हैं, so I don't know, but it's all a part of life, right? Every time you visit Sikkim, it's a different feeling, because last time when I traveled here, it was all winters, it was all snowy. We experienced the snowfall, but right now in summers, the month of June, it's beautifully green. Everywhere you can see is a green environment, no plastics, there's nothing. It's so clean, coming from Delhi or coming from somewhere where it's all populated. When you come here, you'll feel the different you'll feel like everything is so crazy. Like the world is so big, you just need to explore and stuff. It was all sunny right now, like you could just see sun on my face, and it's all foggy right now. It's all foggy right now, so the weather changes so quick, and this also, you know, kind of signifies that change is required. And the best part of Sikkim is when you travel in the month of June, July, you can see this blue. It's called Nilo Fool in here in this language. The locals call it Nilo Fool. It's everywhere, and it's not like this small flower. It's like literally makes a bunch of a bouquet. So the great part is it's all over the road, so when you're traveling even by, you know, cabs or taxis, you can see it all over the road. Makes you feel so good, so good, so good. So if you see, the houses here are completely made of woods. Like, you can see the locals have created it. There's no machine thing. They made it themselves. You can see the nails coming out. So it's like pure village. You don't have, you know, specific construction going on. So it makes totally sense. Like, totally. अब हम पहुंच गए हैं दार्जिलिंग, एंड देयर वाज लिटरली अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रैफिक इन दार्जिलिंग एंड करशोंग बोथ, बिकॉज समर वेकेशन चल रहा था, तो सारे बच्चे के छुट्टी चल रहे थे, तो द ट्रैफिक वाज exponential. Like it was 10x the normal days, and it literally got delayed by 3 hours, and yeah, still in traffic. Current update: the air is so known, the environment is so known, and you know what it is. It's none other than Kershong, and I'm so excited to go to school. Guys, we reached Kershong. We reached Kershong. I can't, guys. I am so overwhelmed. I know why it's more exciting than Sikkim, but unfortunately, we are just staying for like few hours here. We have a halt, and I can't. Like, why didn't this come to us? Gothals, guys, very famous boys' school. We'll put him in Gothals only. Hi guys, so we are in Kershong now right now. And after 10 entire years, I get to see my school again. I am getting so emotional right now. I don't know. I'm scared if I might just cry. We're going to meet the principal, and he's the best man. Somebody's come to take us, and we are going to the office. Wow, I miss Fate, especially boys' Fate.
Ma'am is not there. She's going to Siliguri. You know why? Because also one of our sisters' birthday celebration is there.
Why did you go? You just waited for me.
Oh, I waited for you. Come.
Guys, Raghav is here at her mother's old school where she's been studying and studied and passed out her class 10.
He's got that memory seat here. I can't see in that only. You know, the memory seat is gone. No. I said, the kids. And I said, like,
Hi, say hi. Bye. Please welcome. Oh my god. Hi.
hey, here's the call. Here's the call. Swati. Yeah, Swati.
Oh. We are in our school and this is our dormitory and this is the place where we used to eat.
You didn't study in a boarding school, no?
No.
That's the feeling, no? So overwhelmed by the idea that I am back. No, I'm to this place for some moment, but it still feels so amazing. Nana no studied here only.
That girl name is Chini. She's from Tura.
Chini, hi.
How many days it took to reach Tura?
We still
what
remember,
you're
sir,
saying, sir?
your favorite place. We used to come here all round up, sir, and everybody here, and we are just talking.
But I wanted to meet him.
So, just like, nostalgic.
Hey, good no? I should come, no?
Even you guys come, okay, don't think.
Hey, class 9 boys.
Aparna Didi.
Hello, ऐसे ही चिल्लाता था ना.
टाइम में हालत वही है मत खेलता है
अरे ये हमारा प्यार है भाई.
ये white हो गया क्या?
Guys, this is the dormitory. And this was the window. It was the exact place where we used to. If you know, you know. So guys, dormitory. Okay, they linked it. What is this?
Study room, nice study.
Oh, bhai, sahi hai yaar. So the change is right here.
everywhere
How are you feeling, Himani?
Very nice, very nice. I can't. I'm getting so emotional. I'm so attached to this dormitory.
Yeah, whom are you missing the most here right now?
Everyone. It's just the feeling of the
Where was
same
your
floor.
bed,
It's the
Himani?
same
Where
floor.
was your bed, Ponu?
I'll tell you.
Agachi?
We had a friend group. My bed was here. Harshna, we didn't want her to be, but then she was here. Me, Ponu, Aga, Simran. Guys.
Just person.
Hi, Rajapati. Who is he? Ambo. Ambo.
The sun's sinking low. Ooh yeah, hitting up the boulevard. See the palm trees glow. Caddy drop top, got the rims on shine.
It's a day 6 and we are going to Guwahati. We're gonna go to the Kamakya temple and then we're gonna go Kaziranga and all that places we're gonna cover. And we have taken Vande Bharat, which was so seamless. The train had its own perk. That's that, and then after that we're gonna go to that's it. We're just gonna explore a little bit of Guwahati and then we're gonna go back. The main purpose was this Kamakya temple. Okay, so yeah, let's go.
कितना चार्ज है?
It's the day whatever and we are done with all the food, so what we have ordered is a plain khichdi and that's it. How are you feeling after eating a proper meal? Very yummy. At one point of time you just need this as a comfort food, isn't it?
ने बनाया था मंदिर, नरकासुर बोलते हैं।
अच्छा
तो उन्होंने मंदिर बनाया था, एक रात में ये बनाया पूरा मंदिर।
अच्छा
ऐसा ही स्टोरी है। बाकी आपको 10 महाविद्या गूगल कर लीजिए, 10 महाविद्या बोल के आपको बुक्स मिल जाएंगी, पूरा एक्यूरेट लिखा हुआ है।
मतलब क्या क्या कैसे we are there and I'm so excited to go inside and feel the divine energy. So yeah, let's go. We are here at Kamakhya Devi Mandir. This is the mandir, this is the main Garvgriha. What do you say? Garvgriha. So that is the one. Jai Mata Di. तो हमने दिया है कुछ पैसे और हम आ गए हैं VVIP में। You can literally feel the energy here, like it feels so good even though the crowd is massive, but still there is peace. There is the energy that you come looking for, and yeah, they have, it's true that when you come here you feel the presence, you feel how divine the energy is. You actually feel it, and that's so powerful. So we're just gonna sit till our line comes. We have to stand in a line, so it's more like 30 minutes. And now we're going to the Saubhagya Kund to dip our face, so that's the starting point. So yeah, let's go. Oh, no, it's not slippery, it's fine. You guys are from
Mumbai.
Oh, so आपने जीता है?
हाँ, जीता है।
अच्छा. In which competition?
Glamorous India International
Okay.
Fashion Show.
Okay. Congratulations. Guys, condition is very bad. Even though you pay money, you get to stay in the long queue that has been there. So I can't, like, I'm so excited. Like, what is the wait for? Some are waiting from like yesterday, 10 o'clock. Like, 10 o'clock? It's almost like 24 and 6. 30 hours of waiting to see the temple. I really want to see. Let's see what it is. Yeah? क्या अच्छा दर्शन हुआ guys. I am overwhelmed. Yeah. तो आफ्टर द दर्शन हम निकल पड़े थे एक मॉल. वी हैव वेरी लेस टाइम, सो हमने सोचा एक मूवी देख लेते हैं. तो हम लोग मूवी देखे. उसके बाद वी आर ऑफ एंड वी हैड अ मॉर्निंग ट्रेन टू बिहार. एंड ऐसे ही हमारा सारा जर्नी रहा, बहुत ही शानदार. Hi guys, so the trip has come to an end. But let's ask everyone, how was it? And yeah, let's start with Vaishnavi.
Nice trip overall. Had fun.
Best trip of my life.
Enjoyed a lot. The only reason I enjoyed this trip was because of Raghav.
That was what all had to say about the trip. But me personally, it was nice. It was a kind of a trip that I really longed for. And I don't know, I'm just so thankful, so thankful to God. So, like this, I end my entire series of this entire week. I see you guys later. I love you guys.